Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sannaparajan. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about AMF panel. Okay, so the topic is in AMF panel. Okay, so we know very well how the AMF panel is working. Okay, there are two incomers available. One is from mains and one is from generator. Mains is given priority. Okay, so when there is mains fail, then automatically generator will be started and power will given to the load side. Okay, now the issue is, the doubt is, or the topic is, when mains fail, then there is no supply available on the panel, right? Then how the generator is started, like from how which supply or how the operation is done and how the generator is starting. Okay, so when there is a mains failure, there are some controller installed on the panel and how it is working. Okay, so we will see how this is happening in EMF panel. Okay. So in AMF panel, all the AMF panel with the ATS controller or AMF controller, okay. There is one more device or there is one more device must be installed in the AMF panel. That is called battery charger. Okay. So this battery charger is installed in the AMF panel and it will be connected directly to the generator battery for charging purpose. Okay, so when mains is available, this battery charger will be charging the battery directly. Also the control supply is tapped from the battery charger and the battery connection parallelly. Okay, so this AMF controller and ATS controller is always working with DC supply. Okay, when there is a mains failure, so the supply will be back up from the battery generator battery. Okay, so all the AMF panel there is a battery charger. Okay, so which is connected to directly battery. Okay, battery supply. Okay, and parallelly one DC supply will be connected to the controller, AMF controller. Okay, so when mains is available, this battery charges speed is supplied to battery as well as the control supply. Okay, AMF controller. Then the mains fail. Okay, there is no supply. The battery will give the backup supply to the AMF controller. Okay, then this controller will sense the mains fail, so it will count the time and it will give the start command to the generator. So generator is started. Then it will give supply to the AMF panel. Then the changeover, will happen. Then it will the load supply will fit to the load. Okay. Okay. Now I don't have DC supply in my AMF panel. Okay, I don't have controller also in the AMF panel. Then how after mains fail with time delay, how the generator is started? Okay, that we will see now. So as I told you, I explained in previous video, there are two types of AMF panel or ATS panels are available. One is with controller type, digital controller type. One is with relay type. Okay, so controller type you must need a DC supply to operate the controller. Okay, for relay type you don't want a DC supply. Okay, you can install even with the generator also to charge the battery in the battery charger. Okay, so in this case, how after mains fail, the time after mains fail with the time delay, the generator is started. Okay, in relay type AMF panel, in main side there will be a off delay timer will be connected series with the or parallel with the mains fail contacts. Okay, when this delay or timer, so example, make this is off delay timer. Okay, off delay, this is mains fail contact. Okay, E1 just start hold free contact. Okay, so this is a sample circuit diagram. Okay, so this off delay is connected with the mains fail contact. Okay, when the mains is available, this is closed, so time and off delay timer is enabled. So this is open. Okay, this is off delay timer. Once the mains fail, this contact will open. So time off delay timer coil de-energized. So normally off delay timer will say will count the timing after de-energized. Okay, so after time set, like once the after mains fail, we can keep 10 second or 50 second or whatever you your site requirement. Okay, after the time delay the contact will close and the supply from generator to it will give the start command to the generator to start the generator. Okay, so this is how the generator is started after mains fail when there is no supply available in the AMF panel. Okay, so this was requested one of our subscriber. Okay, so I hope you understand how the generator is started in the AMF panel after the mains fails. Okay, still if you have any doubt, please write in comment. Okay, so I will meet you in next video with a different subject. If you are new for my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. Okay, or else you can refer my previous videos posted. Okay, so I have attached the link for the complete video for AMF panel and ADS panel working and how it is. If any problem, you can troubleshoot and what is the difference between. Okay, so thanks for watching.